Please join me as I welcome on stage Oyster Limited.
My name is Ife. I'm the founder of Oyster. At Oyster, we are building an infrastructure that enables lenders to build lending products for both banked and unbanked customers. Winning pitch to win would be a very exciting thing for me. First, representing other female founders. I think this would be should I win, I'll be the first female founder to win, pitch to win. And also, I'll be ecstatic because I'll be a good representation of this cohort.
As a living thing, I wanna be on top of things. I wanna be doing things.
Hello everyone, my name is Ife and I'm the co-founder of Oyster. In the last 18 months, my team and I have been building a credit infrastructure, enabling businesses and lenders to build micro-lending solutions to both banked and unbanked customers. And on this infrastructure, we built a game-changing lending solution called Friendly Lender. You see, in November 2022, a close friend of mine came to me asking for a loan. He told me it was an emergency and he promised to pay me back at the end of the month. It's been 7 months and I still don't have my money back. It's not an isolated situation. In fact, studies show that 8 out of 10 Africans will rather go to their family and friends for loans than to go to a financial institution. But only 20% of those loans are collected, leaving over 80% uncollected. Here's where Friendly Lender comes in. Simplifying the loan process and guaranteeing up to 80% collection rate. You see, when your family and friend or your close relative ask you, please give me a loan, just log on to your Friendly Lender app, fund your wallet, and then design the loan as you please. Put their name, their details, and send them that link. Once they get that link, they impute their BVN and give Oyster the access to do direct debit on multiple bank accounts tied to that BVN. You can now rest easy while we help you with your collection. For our market size, we use the 470 million financially excluded adults in sub-Saharan Africa to estimate a $94 billion market size. For our SAM, we use the 121 million African adults and Nigerian adults that are financially excluded to estimate a $24 billion opportunity. And our SAM is a 10% of our SAM. We take 2% plus 5 cents on every transaction. And for traction, although our B2B side is live and we already have customers, today I'm pitching for the 10K for our B2B side. Last week, we launched a waiting list. We already have 31 people on that waiting list through word of mouth. But we want to grow it to about 10,000 people by the end of this year and have them process at least $200 using Friendly Lender. And that will get us to generate about 40K in revenue. I have 8 years startup and business development experience. My CTO and co-founder has over 10 years software development experience. And Niyi, our head of operation, has over 24 years operational expertise under his belt. Together with my team of amazing superheroes, we are built to conquer this market. Join us to safeguard your loan while empowering your connections. Thank you.
Okay. You described the use case really in a B2C, in a P2P environment, which I think was very interesting and is a good way to get us all smiling. But you described, pitching today, thank you, for the 10K, and you talked about it on the B2B side.
B2C.
It was for the B2C side. Okay. Talk about the B2B opportunity.
Okay, so as I mentioned when I came in, we spent the last 18 months creating credit infrastructure. What that means is we have direct debit APIs, we have onboarding APIs, we have KYC verification APIs. So with that product, we've already have 2 MFBs, 8 fintechs, and 1 remittance company already paying us for those products. So the direct debit infrastructure that is powering Friendly Lender is already generating revenue on the B2B side. So I'm here to pitch the B2C side where individual like yourself can use Friendly Lender to give loans to your friends.
Do the borrowers know that there's a direct debit mandate on their account when they are? Because I wonder how you solve for the problem of when you hit that account in 12 months' time, you might end up losing your brother or sister.
No, so they know that there's a direct debit mandate, and the way we've designed it, we can put direct debit mandate on all their accounts tied to that BVN, so not just one. So if they move their money from GT Bank because they don't want to pay you and move it to UBA, we are there to help you collect it.
I actually need to sign up for this right now.
Thank you.
Sorry, just a quick question. Is it possible to edit the payment terms even after you've already agreed the initial terms?
Sorry?
For example, to extend the tenure of the loan or to charge interest. Is it possible to edit it after the initial contract has been effectively signed?
No, it's at the point where you are generating the link, creating the link, that's when you can put the feature. If you want to charge interest, you can put it. If you want to extend, you can put it. If you want a daily return, monthly return, you can design that when you are generating the link before it goes to the borrower.
Thank you. Thank you, Ife.